Zoisha. Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Zoisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year first and foremost. It is literally present day. Today is January the 8th, 2020. Okay. Now the video that you guys are about to see happened in December before I left to go to Jamaica. I had a game night holiday party thing at my house. If you guys are following me on Snapchat, you guys would have seen, and maybe on Instagram as well. Hold on. So yeah, prior to leaving for my trip, the charger for my laptop broke, so I was not able to get access to any images or files that were on my laptop, as well as the SIM card tray for my phone broke. Pieces broke in my phone. My SIM card stopped working. A whole bunch of hoopla. And then for me to get the parts for my phone, I wasn't able to get it because my phone literally broke the day before I left to go to Jamaica. So I was phoneless. Like, I couldn't put nothing on my phone, nothing like that. I couldn't, you guys know I use my phone to edit, so no memory card could go in my phone, no nothing. So I was unable to get access to any of my files, plus to edit any of my files. So this is why you guys are getting this Christmas this holiday video right now, even though we are still in the mood for holidays, because Jamaica vlogs are coming up, and those are all holiday related vlogs pretty much. So yeah, I did not want to waste the footage. I wanted to share the footage with you guys. So I'm saying all of that to say this is why you guys are getting a Christmas related video in January. And for those of you, which is almost all of y'all, that are asking me for the Jamaica vlogs, these set of vlogs are very I don't know, there was just something about this trip, so I don't really want to rush it. These are going to be my last set of Jamaica vlogs for a very long time, so I'm trying to still thaw out from my trip. As I said, I'm sick, so yeah, I'm weak, and I'm trying to do everything all at once, getting back to work and doing all of that stuff. So want to see with me, but they are coming soon, hopefully by this weekend, if not sometime next week for sure, because I don't really want to stale it out. Plus it's January, it's my birth month. I also want to put some birthday related content on my channel as well, or just vlog leading up until my day. I turned 30 this year, so it's a very big year for me in a lot of ways. I turned 30, I changed my last name. Yeah, it's a lot of things going on, but let's just jump on right into this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys again so much for stopping by. I love you guys. If you're new, hit subscribe. If you are returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And again, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, and welcome to my holiday party. I'm late to this party, but yeah, we're here. I have guests and everything. We started to get getting festive and everything. You know, I've been in the kitchen all day cooking, literally. I'm sure I want to come and literally just done cook. Barbecue wings, fish, lasagna, curry chicken, salad, macaroni. Oh, what is macaroni? Me a vlog. Hi, this is my supporter show. Yes, I brought YouTube to my house. I brought YouTube to my house, so now when she goes home and she sees herself on the vlog, she can say, oh my gosh. And then I have the rice. The rice is here and it's steaming up, you know what I'm saying? And yes, so yes, all these things. What do you want to eat? Wait, no, you're not escape one here. Come here. Me did think so. I want to eat first, and then we can come back to the game. No. It don't make more sense to eat first, and then wanna come play the game. You wanna get more energy.
That's true. The game is already started.
Okay.
So you just do it yourself, and then we'll.
I can't do it myself.
Okay, let me vlog.
Our cousin can join me.
Yeah, come.
Oh, this work.
It's on.
No, lift his screen up.
Tree plate.
But why?
Oh, it's recording already.
Hey.
Oh, hi, vlog. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look rough
abandoned.
Okay, so we're playing a game. It's called. Let's play it with this name.
Man. This is a female's game.
No, it's not,
Yeah,
Lamar.
man, it's a female's game.
Lamar,
Yo.
games don't have. Okay, I got the gender.
Me put gender on game. This is a female game.
It's called the marshmallow game. So the marshmallow game. So what you have to do is you have to pretty much just like transfer the marshmallow using the spoon to the other plate.
Yes, Alexia, go!
Yes. So they're gonna demonstrate. So here we have Rudolph the red skirt reindeer.
A pink.
I snap and sense up.
Oh.
No, son, me not play.
Zoe, your Christmas tree, I beat them, bud. Yeah.
A female
Your
game,
Christmas tree,
man.
Oh, tongues. I know two different color light. What's up?
Oh, I didn't even take it in. All right, are you guys ready? Oh, so you don't need the timer, right?
No more time. No.
To do what, Zoe?
You don't need no time.
Whoever win.
Watch out, watch out. Move that silver in the front from there. Yeah. So we can catch it.
Okay, after me not cheat.
Come on.
Okay, wait. All right, you
Ready?
ready?
Watch out.
Watch it, Zoe.
Oi,
Take time with it.
oi, oi.
Okay.
All right.
Couple days. One.
All right.
Wait, we're not about to put it on my mouth. Wait, should we go weird? We're not about to put it on my mouth. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back.
On your marks. Zoe, hurry up now.
Hurry up now. Wait, you need to put that down. Oh.
I'm gonna know why I referee. Play. On your mark, get set, go.
Yes, it's so one.
Rush your reindeer. Zoe, take off them something off your head, please.
No, want me the phone and stop doing it? Please. Oh, you go there.
Yes, Zoe, Sha.
Right off here, do it.
No, I feel all I can see are these damn antlers.
Whose phone is this?
Mine.
That cold.
Can I borrow your phone?
Yeah. You done? Yeah, Did you even get one? Oh God. Oh God.
Yo, you got all yours. Whoa, can I get some?
Wow, winner, Gagnon. Okay, everyone, take a shot.
Yes, thank you. Okay, you're gonna do it actually? Propose a toast. Good, yes.
Yes, let's toast. To us.
Toast to the new year. Happy New Year. To Happy New Year. To 2020, may it bring everybody happiness, success. May all your goals be met. More life.
Yes.
Love.
Yes.
More money. Prosperity. More money.
Yes.
More money. Yes. And more happiness.
Yes.
Positivity. Amen. Yes. Amen.
Hello. Clink, 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 clink. Oh yes, clink, 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 clink. Yes.
Okay. God. So actually doesn't taste that
Oh,
bad.
this tastes nice. Oh God.
Like, whoa, it goes down really nice.
That's what she
Man,
said.
I nearly empty buckle, you know, because I'm from our bar, you know? Then we had a year about.
Oh, you took it from the bar?
She gave it to me.
Okay. Are we gonna do another round?
Sure.
Lamar, are you gonna go?
No. It's a female game. Bro.
How is it a female game?
No, sir. Me good man.
Yeah, I'm ready for the next game.
Yeah,
Are
man,
you?
me good man.
Okay, so I don't know what I eat.
Oh yeah, let's eat. All right,
Some
we'll
curry
be right
chicken
back
and
with the
some
next episode
fried
of
rice.
Game Night.
Next time.
Every day, just quiet. Wow, you see when food serve, everybody just silence. This is when your host never have no voice anyways. We can't get over the color. God no. You're coming like storm.
Nice.
Yeah, you no look bad. But you put on weight. From your have baby, you're smaller when you're pregnant. You go. Didn't you hear Drake? He said he came home to where that shit's legal.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Hi. Whoa, hi, yay. All right, okay, so for this game, Shmika, can you hold this, please? I know you're doing your thing, but you have to hold it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we got our two doers. Come on, come. We got our two doers. Don't turn around. You can
The doer and the giver.
We got our two doers and we got our two givers. So there's different variations. Oh, sorry, getters.
Of course you would say
There's
that.
many different variations of this game. We're gonna do this Christmas themed.
Nice.
So you know, when it's the bridal shower, you make the wedding dress with the paper, with the toilet paper towel, whatever. When a baby shower, you make the diaper. Now y'all gonna make snowman, right? Snowman. So when I go rap, you're the getter.
Yeah, man, so you have to
This
go
is
up.
the doer. So you are up, she. You are up, she.
Just know some keen to details.
I have two
Nice.
scarves here, so when I have to finish off with the scarf, right?
For the scarf, okay.
I have to put the scarf under the snowman.
That's the finish touch to
That's
signify
the
that you're
finish.
finished.
Done. Yeah.
Got it.
And then based on the votes, we see who wins. But I feel like I don't want you guys to go like at your own speed, so I kind of want to give you guys like a 1 minute.
So with that.
Yeah, true.
Why?
Yeah, more than 1 minute.
So with that.
But I feel like that's the point,
So
no?
basically, me report
So 2 minutes.
from neck.
Yeah.
No, 1 minute. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Your toilet paper small, so yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute.
1 minute, you have to work fast.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. No, too bad. 1 minute. 1 more minute, 60 seconds.
I don't want more space like 1 more minute now. Hey, take time. Hey, take time with the snow.
That's why I push a snow out that way.
Okay, let's do it.
Ready.
Ready.
Yo, you know what's this belongs to?
Couple days, baby, me and come.
Yeah, one hour from now.
Dirty girl. Oh, we got 2? Okay. Alright, are you ready?
Oh, 2?
Yeah.
It might be, you might need longer than 1 minute then.
You think so?
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So,
Yes?
I've had
Yes.
NBC shot. I had a shot and wine. Can I have some? So I'm feeling it.
Yeah, I need another shot.
And I'm going to work soon. Oh wait, I shouldn't have said that on camera. Does anybody else want a shot?
What?
So it must be like exciting. Every day is something different.
Wow, can I get up? Wow. Okay. Big up the lights. Wow. Like when they get together, it's family picture time. Like family.
Just so you can say, oh, look how much they look alike.
You know, like.
What's this one? This is the reindeer?
They don't know all of them. Bombard! Yo!
No?
All right, you guys ready? Yeah, ready?
You're
You're not gonna do it?
I think I should do it. I'm going to do it.
All right. Yeah. She got those over there.
Oh, yes. Oh, I need another shot.
Oh,
Yo, watch out, watch out.
wow. You're gonna wrap her like a snowman. And then to end her off, you're gonna put the one of the scarf. Yeah, this one of yours. Yeah,
Oh
this
yes,
of yours.
that's my eyes.
Whoa, then I get whoa. All right, wait. Where's the timer?
1:30.
Come.
Snowman.
Build a snowman?
Do you wanna build a snowman? Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boy, Alex, that's not.
Oh my god, my battery's gonna die.
Oh, you really suck, Omar.
Wow. What? Bombard upon Alexia. Alexia. What? I hate you guys.
Why are you going down? Go up.
Oh, God, come on, start from the ground.
Hello, my material. Yo, look at my girl's mouth.
Is it just me or you can't let Jamaicans play so good?
They don't know how to act.
I don't know what's so bad.
Yo, Chimika, Alexia doing arms. Oh my god. Yo, I'm dying. I'm dying. Yo, look at this. Holy shit. No, man.
Hello, Joe, you're not going to.
Why?
Nice.
Lamar. Wow, stop. Yes, goody.
Alexia, you definitely want that.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay, wait, come. Can I?
Today's just a hot day in outside, you know? It's hot. Can't keep up.
Yo, my belly. Wait.
It's a melt.
Rachel, come stand up right here.
It's a melt, isn't it? You melt out, man.
Okay, we have to vote. Wow. Snowman won?
Melted snowman.
Wow. Oh, God. No, it's not a tie. It's not a tie. It was silent. Nobody never hear it. Nobody never hear it. Everybody heard. Whoa.
Shake your waist, you know.
Why?
Can't shake it.
No, you gotta jingle bell. Oh no, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. I have to see you when I shake out the jingle bell. Turn around. You have to. Yeah. Comes out. All of them. The first. This is gonna be the thumbnail. Yes, Goody. Wait, change the song. You can't put on one song for that guy. Oh. We lost the ball. Oh shit. Lord Jesus.
There's no reason we can't change them out now.
Wait there. Bombard. All right, see one next one here. Oh, who found one? Yours? Whose mouth? Oh, you just put it in? Bombard. All right, yes, on the song. Start it over. Warrior. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why keep going? Keep going. No man, it can't come out. Look, it'll come out. You just not shake hard enough. Look, I'll tear your back. Yo.
Oh, here they are.
No good, you still have all the ears in there.